Now exactly 100 years ago in 1923, September 28, as today, BMW launched their first motorcycle, the R32. And exactly 100 years later, BMW is flying Uncle Smokey to Berlin for a factory tour.
Listen here,
but
buddy.
I don't record inside, no worries. I'm gonna put it away. And launch of the brand spanking new BMW GS 1300. Yeah. I've been flying in like 20 years. And just like that, Berlin. Oh, the airport. Fun fact. I have no idea where to go. There should be a shuttle for me, but there's nobody here standing with a BMW sign. First time here, I have no idea. I have no idea how this works. No idea. I should have asked more questions.
One eternity later.
Found it, no problem. We also have Gijs with us. He's actually from
My name is Jeff.
Motor News. And oh! We're riding an Audi. Thank you, BMW. We're taking an Audi. Danke. Even opening the door for me. Vielen Dank. Dankeschön. Tschüss. Tschüss. I speak German now. Hey. Hallo.
Hallo, herzlich willkommen. Alles gut?
It's not an Audi. And just like that, it turns out that we are the only two Belgians, only two from Belgium that were actually invited to come here. Thank you, Jeroen, and thank you, Fanny. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Anyway, the BMW plant. Oh no, that's the Volkswagen plant, sorry. Got a box with BMWs over there, and this is actually where they make the motorcycles. So we're going to be doing a factory tour, workshops, interviews, and later on, the BMW GS 1300 launch. Yeah. Now these guys at BMW are kind of sneaky. Look what they put behind this, look. I know it's the goddamn brand new GS. Ah, you smelly. Ah, BMW. Dang it. Please, quit.
J'ai pas entendu ce qu'il disait. Est-ce qu'on peut filmer dans l'usine ou pas?
Now the food is good.
Hello everyone. I see that you are still quite hungry. So please enjoy.
We constantly design and the present and define the future of motorcycling. And we do this very successfully with a record result of consequently develop our product portfolio and lead.
That little lady just stole my food bowl, stole my plate with food off the table. Anyway, let's go to the factory tour. I cannot record inside of the factory because they're producing the brand new BMW GS 1300 right now, and cameras are not allowed over there. Later on with the launch it is, but not now.
Yellow sticker on the lanyard. Please join Jörg. So.
Well, they just gave me an earpiece. I'm security now. Yes? Somebody leaked the pictures. Somebody leaked the pictures of the new 1300 GS. Who did it? But I don't record inside, no worries. I'm gonna put it away. I'm just gonna say now that I'm not gonna record.
Okay.
Okay. I was just going to say I'm not going to record there. I'm going to say here, not going to record there. No worries, no worries, no worries. So yeah, they're already trying to take away my camera, so I cannot record further on. I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. recording the launch.
That is in our aim, in our target.
Epic stuff, this.
We want to,
The window goes
when you
up
see
and
the
down.
white motorbike, basic version that is placed in front of there, then you see, let's say, the core of the GS.
And all people bitching about the cross. The cross actually looks awesome. Look at
slim
that.
design and dimension. Then you see this painted
I think it's cool.
version
I think it's really
white,
cool.
laminated pure. So the setting is pure and everything is with its bike.
This is the green
that was
one with the
mentioned as
optional
standard.
Akrapovic.
Coming to the GS trophy model that we see here.
And then we have my favorite, the GS Trophy.
He likes to have this off-road style. We've got this
This one's like really cool.
And this bike has got here in this version also the Enduro Package Pro. The Enduro Package Pro includes a lot of robust parts like the engine guard that we see here, or the
We're still in the live. I'm sorry.
years. The Trickleback is the motorbike for the customer who wants to have this special own
GS
style,
Trophy one?
but dark and shade and everything, and all the things that we've got with that bike.
Over we have the
thing
triple
that is
black.
mainly asked from the customer. You see here as standard, a very comfortable rider seat, and passenger seat, passenger footrest, and the luggage bridge. This is standard. Also, the electrical adjustable windshield with this additional protection left and right.
Lots of technical issues like chassis, engine, and so how do the designers approach this task? What they do is, I'm going to explain a little bit how we do it. If you look at this bike, I talked about first, second, and third read. The first read is the proportion of the bike. You see here, the proportion of the bike is a very typical, iconic GS proportion. But it's way more dynamic than the predecessor one, and more lightweight. It looks very much lighter, it is much lighter, it's much smaller than the... Coming to the second read, what we call the formal language. The GS icon is obviously like the boxer engine, it's no-brainer. But also, of course, the beak here, and these metal panels and the swing arm, that's very good BMW GS. And the beak detail as well, of course, the headlight. You now, for homologation reasons, we can't do it anymore. So we had to go to a symmetric headlight. And on the other hand, we always did it for a technical reason. Before you had a high beam and a low beam. As the icon, very light. So it was very important to find something unique and new and fresh and also very emotional. And this is what we came up with. We came up with this image. Typical GS icon. Ladies and gentlemen, this is GS. So, and then last but not least, coming to a third read, the detailing, that's very important. And then you also see the overall appearance of the bike is very clean. It doesn't have this very cluttered look like the predecessor bikes had. We wanted to make it very modern, like setting the paces, but not being fragile, but being very clean. Being super. I like to talk about this perceived simplicity. The bike seems to be easy accessible, not a problem, not sensitive, not with somewhere in the dirt. And it's very clean. The subframe here, the cast aluminum, like military formal language. It's still the multi-tool, can do anything, but it overall has a lightness. Has a athletic stance.
Very cool.
Once you get on the bike, you will immediately feel the loss of the weight once you sit on the bike. That's basically it from my side. I mean, I hope I could explain a little bit. I just see this is not fitting here. There's the small handle. It's the cooler one. But okay. So from my side, I would like to hand over to the head of the production line of water-cooled boxes. I hope I pronounced it correctly.
Everybody ready? I gotta say, you don't really do a world premiere of a brand new GS, the most sold motorcycle, every day of the week. Thanks BMW, this is pretty awesome. It's like world press over here. It's like the biggest people in the press in the world and Smokey. I do like that. Hey, that's the DJ over there. Now I do have to say that was pretty epic. Now we're still in for a little bit of a party and still got a couple of questions for the engineers. Yeah, but that was pretty cool. So now we're going to the new, they just told us we're going to the new part. It's like, what's it like?
It's an experience.
It's an experience. It's like, it's not a museum because a museum is old. This is all brand new stuff and it's open to the public, but it's brand new. So let's smoke it first. Let's go. Now you guys can say a lot what you want about the front light, but look at this thing. That is one good ass looking motorcycle. Look at that. Now I have seen that on some of them the lights are actually in the handguards. Yeah, you don't want to crash those things. Yeah, it's gonna cost you. Now everybody's been talking about the light, but actually I think it looks really cool. The dude is checking if it's leaking oil. It's probably not leaking oil, but damn, this thing looks good. I think I'm buying one. I think I'm gonna buy one. Damn. Got the F900, the new one here. Look at that. Damn, BMW is really bringing it to the table this year. Oh, there's people eating there. We have to sell some food as well. Very good looking motorcycle. God dang it. Those are that's the bike of the BMW Motorrad racing team, the endurance racing team, who are actually buddies of mine. Yeah, I do have some friends, not many, but some. That glass is broken. Brand spanking new floor and they already annihilated it. That went fast. Anyway, I got a headset on because it's about to start. I'm gonna get some explanation. This is really cool here. So cool. No, it's good. It's good. Just
because this is
make it normal. Normal is good.
It's the only leftover I have.
I have no idea what it is, but.
Pilsner?
Yeah. Live concert for Smokey. Only for Smokey.
Jahre Entwicklung und Innovation, 100 Jahre Bestehen im Wettbewerb und auch 100 Jahre Begeisterung für Motorsport.
Some highly politician from Germany. I have no idea. Over here we have Markus. He's the CEO of BMW Motorrad. Markus, not gonna disturb the man. He's busy, and I'm gonna get some food again.
Voor mij zijn die al.
Nee, er was er dus nog één rondlopen. Epic party. Let's check out my room. Got a big bus. Yet again, thank you BMW. Had a little bit of a drink, not much, but you know, calling out names for a room. Just want to go to bed.
Milan? No, okay. Alexander? Thomas? Markus?
I wonder how it looks. That is some nice stuff. Yeah, buddy. Anyway, I have no words. BMW, Jeroen, Fanny, thank you guys so much. A couple of years ago, I was in the factory and other people were visiting me, and now I'm flying to Berlin thanks to BMW, and I'm visiting BMW Motorrad factory, and I'm doing a world premiere. And I'm very grateful for that. Anyway, busy day. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Thank you all for the support. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and Smokey out. Good night. Thanks again, BMW. Thank you all for watching. If you want to see my latest video, it is right over here. If you want to see my most favorite video, it is right over there. Subscribing is done over here. And if you want to become a full-time YouTuber, as you can see by my play buttons yourself, go to smokytube.com, and over there I have the perfect all-in-one how to YouTube course.